Apple can't keep up with the MacBook Air's demand due to the ongoing RAM shortage, and it's struggling to keep the laptop in stock. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Entry-level MacBook Air configurations are only available for shipping in late August, while custom configurations are listed for September delivery. The company also reportedly pushed back the launch of the M5 Max ultra-powered Mac Studio to later this year, as it can't source enough memory chips. That shortage is now affecting Apple's most popular MacBook, the MacBook Air. As Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports, that delivery times for the M5 MacBook Air may stretch into late August or early September. It's the same story in retail stores. One of the retail sources even said that shipments of new units are more constrained than they ever can recall. Despite Apple raising the MacBook Air's starting price by $200 due to the steep increase in memory prices, the shortage isn't fixed even when higher-end models received an even bigger price bump. While demand for Macs is high, the Air shortage is linked to the memory crunch. As a result, Apple's pushing customers towards the entry-level MacBook Pro. The DRAM crisis will reportedly continue until at least 2028, and the situation isn't going to get better anytime soon. Unless supply improves or demand drops, you may have to order your MacBook way in advance to get your hands on it, and expect that the memory crisis to affect other Macs and Apple devices will be in the future as well. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.